Alright, listen up, you video-hungry internet adventurers. Want to download YouTube videos in 2025? Well, you've come to the right place because YouTube sure isn't going to make it easy for you. But fear not, I've got the inside scoop to get your favorite clips saved faster than your Wi-Fi can buffer. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Downloading videos for offline use is cool, but don't go pirating entire seasons of TV shows. YouTube, and probably the FBI, won't like that. First things first, you'll need a reliable tool because just smashing the download button on YouTube won't cut it. Lucky for you, there are still plenty of safe methods in 2025. One of the easiest ways? YouTube Premium. Yeah, I know, paying for stuff is annoying, but it's the legal way. With Premium, you can download videos within the app and watch them offline. But if that's not your style, we have other options. Enter the world of online downloaders and software tools. Sites like YT Save 2025 and VidGrab AI let you paste a video link and download it in seconds. Just don't click on any shady pop-ups promising you a free iPhone. You've been warned. Another solid method? Browser extensions. If you're using Chrome or Firefox, tools like EasyTube DL add a download button directly under videos. No more copying and pasting. Just one click, and boom, the video is yours. For my mobile users, apps like SnapVid and TubeMate, yes, it's still around, do the trick. Just grab them from their official sites, because app stores love banning them. Need the highest quality? Desktop software is your best bet. Tools like 4K Video Downloader let you save videos in full resolution, even 8K, if you're one of those people with an insane monitor setup. Still here? Good. Here's a pro tip. Watch out for fake sites. If a site looks sketchier than a pop-up ad on a free movie website, don't use it. Stick to well-known tools. Oh, and if you just need audio, you can use YT to MP3 converters to extract soundtracks from videos. Perfect for saving your favorite songs, podcast clips, or that one meme sound effect you keep hearing everywhere. One last thing. YouTube updates its security all the time, so what works today might not work next month. Always check for the latest tools and stay safe while downloading. And that's it. Now you know how to download YouTube videos in 2025 like a pro. If this guide helped, smash that like button. Seriously, just obliterate it. And of course, subscribe for more epic tech guides. Peace out, video warriors. See you in the next one. Music fades out dramatically.